I have some silver-plated copper wire in 20 gauge. We also need a file and a ruler. We have plastic coated pliers, flush cutters, chain nose, and round nose pliers. First off, we are going to file down one end of our wire. Next, we are going to place the end of the wire into the tip of the round nose pliers. Give the wire a small twist to bring the end of the wire back over itself, creating a loop. Readjusting the pliers onto the wire, we are going to create a second loop by bending the long end of the wire in the opposite direction from the first one. We are going to use our flat nose pliers to grasp the second loop that we made, where we will bring the long end of the wire up, with which we can create the post of the earring. Adjust the long end of the wire and the loops until they are 90 degrees from each other. Using the ruler, we are going to cut the post to length. I usually cut at 1/2 inch, but you can also cut at 3/8 of an inch. After trimming the wire to length, we will then use the file to make sure that the end of the post is well rounded. And now you've completed the earrings. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Drop a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video.